Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we will see how to create a DoorDash account. So let's start this video. First open your DoorDash application. You can download it from Play Store or App Store. So after downloading you have to open it and you will see many options from which you can continue to this app. There are also other options, you can choose wisely. But in this video I will choose continue with Google. So you can edit your first and last name. After selecting the email address, then you have to write down your number. Choose the country. After choosing the country, you can write down your number. Then click on sign up. So as you can see, we have successfully signed up for DoorDash. This is the homepage of DoorDash. I hope this video will help you. If so, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe this channel.